Hi, Ben here, and we've just had a big lorry come down the drive and deliver this great big crate of exciting raw materials. So what have we got inside? So it's basically a whole crate full of steel. We've got 3 different types of steel in here. We've got some strips of this Sandvik 14C28N, which is only about 2.5mm thick, but it's a stainless steel, a really high-end stainless steel, which I've not used before. I've used 12C27 before, but this is the sort of the newer version of it. So hopefully going to have a play around and make some stainless, maybe some kitchen knives out of those. So I've got 2 sheets of that to play with. I've also got some RWL34. So this is 2.6. This is normally what I make the normal Nomad blades out of, the slightly thinner stainless steel Nomad blades, and also some Craftsman and things like that. So the slightly thinner blades. So I've got 4 strips of that, and then I've got 12 sheets of ABL stainless. So let's just see if I can get one of these. And you can see the advantage of buying a big sheet compared to those thin strips is I can get some really big products out of there. So parangs, I can get multiple woodlanders, I get bigger blades out of there. I'm even thinking about playing around and getting some pocket parangs cut out of some of this ABL this time as well. So pretty exciting, lots of raw materials there. Like I say, 12 sheets. I was quite chuffed when the guy says, because I'm having such a big delivery, he was going to actually put it in this little crate. I think that's actually quite sweet. I think Lois has already sort of kept an eye on that. I think she's thinking that she's going to sort of upcycle that and turn that into a potting bench. And whenever we get things like that arrive, useful materials, in the sort of spirit of Henry Ford, we try and make use of those raw materials as well. So the pallet that it's on and this will be turned into things. And as you can probably see, our bench that we've got outside the workshop that we have our coffee on if it's not raining, that's all made out of recycled pallets. So it all gets a second use. And we've even stuck some casters on these so we can roll it around and get the best orientation for the sun. So that's what's exciting has happened today in the workshop. So yeah, hope you enjoy seeing what's going on in the workshop and tune in for some more videos later on in the week.